Welcome to Sketch Extravaganza. In this online course, there are 10 detailed step-by-step black and white value sketches to help you grow as an artist. You will develop greater sketching skills after you go through these lessons and end up with 10 beautiful sketches. All sketches are done with markers. You get to choose whether you put these in a sketchbook or on loose leaf paper. When you finish this course, your sketching skills will be stronger, you'll understand value, and you will have grown immensely in your drawing ability. Let's take a sneak peek into the course. I'm going to maybe grab 40% and get the front foreground, get this front a tad bit darker. This is a good place where you can see how you can duplicate over a second layer. So just by doing a little bit of some of this detail in there. And then I'm also going to use many times in my paintings, and when I'm looking out there, the same value can be fairly close on your distant mountain. Now I might want to just jump back up with my 40% in my cloud now, and maybe I want to design a little bit more, you know, for some of like these other areas, just get a little bit more of some shadowing behind some of the puffies, those little spots. And looking at my photo, if you squint down, this might be too close now that I've zoomed up, but on the photo, if you squint down, you can see some dark spots. I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to take my 20% and I'm going to get rid of the white of the sky. I would maybe even take this just a tad bit darker for the drama that's out there.